Stapler is called the Stinger. You know when you do something and you're really proud of yourself and then you look back at your work and you realize that you actually suck at it? That's this. Looks pretty bad up there, but it does the trick. Editing Julian here, and Julian with a little bit of a woke up with a little bit of a cold, but the reason I said my work with the Stinger looks shoddy is because the Stinger stapler, it shoots a regular staple gun except through this plastic things, and so these plastic things, when you staple them against this layer, it keeps the wind from like ripping it off, and it has more pressure on it. You know when you use a staple gun, it'll like easily rip through whatever. So this prevents that, and then it also allows some airflow whenever you put the outer material on. So whenever you staple this thing onto here, Justin has the staple gun up top right now, so I can't show you, but it doesn't staple all the way in. Like, it staples a little bit through the plastic, and then I had to go back to most of mine and use a hammer to hammer in the staples. So anyway, that's what that is. And then sometimes the staple would go through, but not the little plastic thing, so you'd have to redo it. It's not the easiest tool to use, but it does the trick. So yeah, kind of funny. Some spots have a staple next to the thing, but we got it done.
Nothing like some box wine in the trailer. Cheers. Editing Julian here, guys. I just wanted to say thank you so much for being here and watching our videos. If you at all like our vision and what we got going on in these videos, please subscribe to our channel by clicking that subscribe button below and like this video. It really, really helps us get our message and our dream out to the world and helps us connect with other people who are like-minded and also have dreams like ours. So thank you so much again. And in the next video, we're going to show you the framing of our porch and yeah, the next step. So thanks again for being here. Cheers.